According to the title of this video, you already know what's up. Let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you should actually start doing is for you to do your nighttime skincare routine like 2 hours before going to bed. You don't want to waste products, especially in this economy. So please, when you are done with your nighttime skincare routine, please, if you go ahead and lie down on your sheet, you place your head, your face on your pillowcase without allowing your skincare products to absorb into your skin. You're just wasting product, like it's just waste of time. Okay, allow the skincare products to absorb into your skin. You can just sit down and just watch a movie and munch on something while your skincare products penetrate into your skin. So it will make your skincare products work better. This brings me to the next thing that you should actually start doing to help your skin to glow, which is for you to always try and wash your sheets, wash your pillowcases. Pillowcases, please wash it every week. Don't even allow it to stay till 2 weeks or more. You can get as many pillowcases as possible. So you don't want to come out from your bedroom, you've applied all your products, you are looking so fresh, so clean, and you're lying down on top of dirty sheets. Why now? Stop it this 2025. The next thing you should actually start doing that is really going to help your skin is for you to brush your teeth before doing your skincare routine. Don't go and finish applying products on your face and then you now go to the bathroom to brush your teeth. Why? Please stop it. Stop it. It's 2025. Please, I'm begging you. Don't do it. Next is for you to always clean your phone screen. If only you know the amount of bacteria that is on your phone. And you will just carry your phone, bam, you place it on your ear. Especially if you're a mom, most times your children will be touching your phone. Please always use little wipes, clean antibacterial wipes. Just gently clean your phone screen. Gently clean your phone screen. It will save you from a whole lot. Like, you see that acne that will be coming out here on your cheek. It might be because you're not cleaning your phone screen. It's always clean your phone screen. It is very important. The next thing you should actually do is for you to always avoid the temptation of touching your face with your hands. Please avoid it this 2025. Please avoid picking your pimples, because when you actually pick your pimples, you are popping that pimples. Before you know it, you start having dark spots. Then you now come and be looking for cream or soap for hyperpigmentation for dark spots. Please avoid do these little things I'm mentioning in this video, so it will save you from a whole lot of stress. Next thing that you should actually start doing that is really going to help your skin is make sure that you wash your skin, your face, your body very, very well immediately you are done washing your hair. This one, I don't even want to talk 2 times, because you see, if you don't wash your body, your skin, your face, those chemicals from this shampoo, from the conditioner will sit on your skin, and before you know it, will start causing rashes, reaction. Especially if you have sensitive skin, please, immediately you are done washing your hair, whether at home or at the salon, make sure to take your bath, wash your face, like clean your face, wash your body. It's really going to save you from a whole lot of stress. Please, avoid using your body products on your face. We have face care products and we have body care products. Please, whenever you see a product and it's not written used on the face, please don't use it on the face, okay? There is a soap that I'm currently using, Skin White soap. It is written there, can be used on the face and body. So I can use that soap on my face and on my body, and nothing will happen to me. If you know it's for body, use it for body. If you know it's for face, use it for face. Please, it can cause reaction, it can cause irritation. The next thing that you should actually start doing that is really going to help your skin is for you to always read your labels. Like this oil, you see this oil? This is the label. Everything that you need to know about this oil is written here. Like for me, before I will buy any product, I always make sure to read the labels. I'll read everything. Is it for my skin type? What kind of ingredient is in this product? What is the benefit of this product, So always make sure to read your labels when you want to get skincare products. That way it will help you to know if this product is for your skin type, if this product is for your skin tone, if this product is going to work on your face for acne. Yes, I know you have to try it out to really be sure. To promise to brighten your face or clear your dark spots, you end up using it to not do anything. But at least you read the labels and it said it will actually clear your dark spots, okay? So you know that you particularly bought it because you want to clear your dark spots, okay? Don't just carry products. Okay, this is body oil. You just pick it. So make sure to always read your labels. It will save you from a whole lot of money, and it will also save you from a whole lot of stress. Don't say I did not tell you. Next thing that you actually need to start doing to help your skin to glow is for you to exercise. Yes, exercise will help your skin to pop. You know, when you exercise, you know that sweat that comes out of your skin, you are actually detoxifying your skin. Okay, it's not all about applying brightening products, exfoliating the skin. You glow from within. You glow from within. So always try to exercise. Next is for you to drink lots and lots of water. I always say this and I will keep on saying it. Water is going to help to detoxify your skin, your body. It will help to purify your body. It will help you to pass out toxins from your body, okay? So learn to drink lots and lots of water always. Last but not the least is for you to eat healthy meals. I think I always say this in almost all my videos, and I'll keep on saying it. Please learn to eat healthy meals. Try to start eating healthy food. Don't just go about eating junks, eating anyhow. Please eat healthy meals. It's really going to help you. It's really going to help your skin. It will make your skin to glow from inside, you know. Try to eat healthy meals. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know if you learned a thing or two from this video, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on all the amazing videos I'll bring in on this channel. And if you have other tips, please share in the comment section. We are here to learn together. I'll see you in my next video. For now, bye.